Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of June, 2025, our system has categorized Rigetti Computing as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.66. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of -2.56%. This corresponds to an average daily loss of -1.28% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of around 44.29% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 44.29% to 102.14%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 116.58%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 87.56% to 421.22% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $20.74 and $57.65. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price down 2.56% on Friday. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price fell by 2.56% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, decreasing from $11.35 to $11.06. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 5.18%, reaching a low of $11.01 and a high of $11.58. The price has dropped in 6 out of the last 10 days, but it remains up by 1.56% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indication, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume declined by 2 million shares, resulting in a total of 27 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $293,500,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 48.37%, or $10.36, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the ticker RGTI, is navigating a challenging landscape in the burgeoning quantum computing sector. As of today, the 20th of June, 2025, recent reports highlight both the potential and pitfalls facing the company. Despite being on the cutting edge of technology, Rigetti's efforts to establish itself in the market have come under scrutiny, especially as it competes with emerging players like IonQ and D-Wave Quantum. We're making significant strides in technology and revenue growth. Rigetti is targeting commercial traction through its QPU as a service strategy, broadening access to its Ankaa-2 system. This approach could enhance short-term income opportunities, yet concerns remain about its competitive position. The announcement of share dilutions to raise approximately $575 million further complicates the picture, raising questions about long-term shareholder value. Indeed, as Rigetti sells more shares than quantum computers it is projected to deliver through the decade, investor confidence may wane. The volatility surrounding RGTI stock, highlighted by its previous surge of over 1,000% last year, followed by a drastic decline of 37% in 2025, encapsulates the risks of investing in high-growth tech sectors. In the short term, these factors could lead to continued stock fluctuations, while in the long run, Rigetti's ability to establish a solid foothold and prove its value proposition will be crucial for sustaining investor interest and capital appreciation. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initiate action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio has also been rated as strong sell along with the price-to-book ratio. Regarding return on investment, analysts maintain a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The stock of Rigetti Computing Incorporated holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast. If there are upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at $11.72 and $11.58. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 22.06%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 169 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 38 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 20 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at stockinvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $10.63. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is known for significant daily movements, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 570 cents between its high and low, representing a movement of 5.18%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 6.06%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a persistent negative PE ratio may suggest ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In related news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts currently project a consensus estimate of -6 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $11.64. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $10.63. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of June in 2025, Fitzgerald Alyssa conducted an insider sale of 77,284 shares of common stock. On the 11th of June in 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted an insider sale of 25,000 shares of warrants, which is the right to buy. On the 10th of June in 2025, Iannotti Thomas J. conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On the 10th of June in 2025, Johnson Ray O. also conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On the 10th of June in 2025, Sanford Helene Gale likewise conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 21.801. In total, insiders purchased 7,538,828 shares and sold 7,786,921 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. stock presents several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing Inc. will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis reveals that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of June, we expect Rigetti Computing to open higher by approximately 157/1,000ths of a dollar, starting at $11.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon stockinvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.